Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making ice cream from scratch or homemade ice cream. Ingredients for the ice cream include 350 grams of whipped cream powder, which is also known as instant whipped cream, 3/4 cup of full cream milk, 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, chocolate chips, crushed chocolate biscuits, kiwi topping sauce, and we'll be using a stand mixer to make this ice cream. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, pour the milk into the stand mixer, add in the water, and then mix it for 2 minutes. Now use a spoon to start fetching some of the instant whipped cream and then add it into the water and milk mix as it spins to form the cream we want to make. After several minutes of mixing the milk, water, and the instant whipped cream powder, this is the kind of mixture we are going to obtain. Very creamy whipped cream mixture. So we add in a little bit of the icing sugar or the powdered sugar to continue the mixing. When that is done, we take it out of the mixer and then divide it into two. Then we place the first one back into the mixer and spin it gradually until it mixes into a thick paste, which can also be used for piping. That's how you know that it's ready. So we set that aside and then into the mixing bowl, we'll add in the other half, add in some of the cocoa powder, spin and mix until a chocolate whipped cream mixture is obtained. After obtaining it, we are going to pour it into our bowl which we'll be using to create the ice cream. This is a plastic bowl with its lid. So we pour the chocolate version of the ice cream into it and then we add the milk one as well, or the vanilla flavor as well. And this is how both look like. To finish it off, I'm going to add onto it the crushed chocolate biscuits and our chocolate chips on opposite sides of the ice cream in the container. When that is done, I'm going to cover it with the lid, and then we are going to refrigerate it overnight. The next day, I'll pick out the ice cream from the fridge and then place it onto the work surface. Now these are the bowls we are going to use to enjoy the ice cream. So I'll use the ice cream scooper to scoop some of the vanilla flavor of the ice cream with the chocolate chips and the crushed biscuits. Place it into one of the bowls and then do the same for the chocolate side of the ice cream. And this is how they both look like. For the final touch, I'm going to add the chocolate chips and the crushed crackers on it, which is for the chocolate flavor of the ice cream. And then on the other side, for the vanilla flavor, I'm going to add the kiwi topping sauce and the chocolate chips. Now it's time to do some tasting. This ice cream tastes so good. It's so yummy and very creamy, as I like my ice creams to be. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I would like you to try every recipe that we post on the channel and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification icon with the inscription all, so that every Thursday and Sunday if we post new videos, you will find it. And we post short videos from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us to grow this channel. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.